Factor the expression below completely. Which of the following is one of the factors? So this again is a perfect square trinomial. Got the format ax squared plus bx plus c. Sorry, it's not a perfect square, but it is a trinomial. This is ax squared plus bx plus c. And I'm going to factor it into a double bubble. Okay. And I want to put something in these bubbles so that when I FOIL these bubbles together, I get x squared minus 6x minus 16. So I know I have to have an x and an x so that when I do the firsts, I get x squared. And when I do the lasts, I need to get negative 16. So I need this and this to multiply to negative 16, but I need them to add to negative 6 also. So let's list some factors of 16. We could do 4 and 4, 8 and 2, 16 and 1. I need them to add to negative 6. So these look promising because the difference between 8 and 2 is 6. And I want them to come out to negative 6. So I'm going to do negative 8 and positive 2. And then we should check with a quick FOIL. So x times x is x squared. X times 2 is 2x. Negative 8 times x is negative 8x. And negative 8 plus 2 is negative 16. And then when I combine my like terms, I have x squared minus 6x minus 16. So that is, my factoring was correct. So I have x minus 8 times x plus 2. So option B, x minus 8 is one of the factors.